Good morning, students. This is the third video of volumes and surface of revolution. Okay. In previous videos, we discussed about what is revolution and how to find volumes of revolution. Okay. See, what is revolution? One complete turn or a rotation of 360 degrees is called revolution. Revolution means about the axis. One complete turn is called revolution. Okay. See here, y equals to x cube is our curve. This is curve. This black line denotes curve. The green place denotes the area between the curve and the y axis. Okay. This plane now rotates around the y axis. So we get this shape. See here, which shape? This one, three-dimensional solid shape. Okay. Here we have to find that volume of this three-dimensional solid shape. Okay. Is it clear? If a curve rotate around about the axis, we get a three-dimensional solid shape. This type of rotation is called revolution. Okay. After revolution, we get a three-dimensional solid shape. Here we find that volume of that three-dimensional solid shape. See here, we have two types of equations, formulas to find the volumes of solid revolutions. Okay. If the curve or plane revolves about the x-axis, you use this formula. What is the formula here? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. Okay. And second formula is, if the curve revolves about the y-axis, then we use this formula. What is that? V equals to integral a to b pi x square dy. Okay. See here, about the x-axis revolves means, see here, this is the this red line denotes our curve f of x equals to root x, for example. Okay. If it rotates about the x-axis, here which this blue color three-dimensional solid shape we get. For finding this blue color solid shape's volume, we use this formula. Okay. Next, second one. See here, this red line denotes the curve and it rotates about the y-axis. We get this green color three-dimensional solid shape. By knowing this three-dimensional solid shape volume, we use this second formula. Okay. See here, already we did some problems in previous videos also. See here, we have another problem. See here, find the volume generated by y. See here, again I explain again. See here, what is the formula? About the x-axis, what is the formula? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. Okay. Here pi is a constant. Okay. Next, integral a to b means here a comma b are limit points. We find these limit points from this graph. Okay. From starting point, this is a, this is b. These two are the limit points of the given solid. Okay. We find the limit points a, b from the graph. Next, what is y square here? From given equation, we have to find the value of y square and dx value and limit values a comma b. And pi is the constant. After knowing all these values, we substitute in this formula. Okay, is it clear? First, we find integral limit values from the graph or another way. And from the given equation, we find value of y square and dx values. After getting all these values, we substitute in this formula. Similarly, in second, what is the second formula? Integral a to b pi x square dy. Here also a and b denotes limit points and x square dy we get from the given equation. Okay, is it clear? If the solid revolves about the x-axis, we use v equals to integral a to b pi y square dx formula. Otherwise, we use v equals to integral a to b pi x square dx. Okay, is it clear? See, what is the sum here? Find the volume generated by y equals to x sin mx. This is our curve. Okay. The solid generated by y equals to x sin mx curve as the area laying between x equals to 0 comma x equals to 2 pi by m revolves about x-axis. Okay. This is our sum. What is the sum here? What is the curve? Y equals to x sin mx, and we have x values from 0 to 2 pi m. That means these are the limit points. Okay. That means there is no need to find limit points. Already we have limit points. And revolves about x-axis. Okay. From the data, which values we have? Y equals to x sin mx is the given curve. And limit points are x equals to 0 and x equals to 2 pi by m. and it revolves about the x-axis. Okay, is it clear? First, revolves about x-axis means which formula we used here? Integral a to b pi y square dx. This is our volume formula. Okay. Here in formula we have a to b, integral a to b. What are a to b here? Limit points. From given data, what are the limit points? 0, 2 pi by m. Okay, that implies a equals to 0 and b equals to 2 pi by m. See here, I wrote this one. See, from given data, what are the limit points? X equals to 0, x equals to 2 pi by m. But in formula, we do not limit points are a, b. So I write a equals to 0 and b equals to 2 pi by m. Is it clear? Next, what is our given curve? Y equals to x sin mx. See, this is the graph of our y equals to x sin mx. See here, this is the graph of y equals to x sin mx. Okay, see here. Here we observe a dark line, blue dark line. See, this is our curve y equals to x sin mx. This is the x-axis. Okay, this curve rotates about this x-axis, so we get this shape, solid shape. Okay, are you understand? Our curve is y equals to x sin mx. Just x sin mx denotes not, this is not a solid, this is just curve. This blue line denotes the curve y equals to x sin mx. This curve revolves about the x-axis. This dotted line denotes the x-axis. If it denotes rotates about x-axis, which shape we get? This type of see here, shell shape, Senku. It's just looking like a Senku, you know. This, see here, our curve is y equals to x sin mx. This dark blue line denotes our curve y equals to x sin mx. This is x-axis. Okay, it rotates about the x-axis. It rotates about this dotted line x-axis. So we get this three-dimensional solid shape. Here we have this volume of this solid shape. Okay, see, see here, last line. See, if the solid rotates about the x-axis, which formula we use here? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. Okay, here which values we have to find? A, b limit points and y square value and dx value. Okay, see here. From given data, already we find the limit points. Then what we find here? Y square value. But we know the value of y. What is y? Y equals to x sin mx. So squaring on both sides, we get the value of y square. What is y square? X square sin square mx. This is the value of y square. Is it clear? From 1, by squaring on what is y? Y equals to x sin mx. By squaring on both sides, we get what? Y square equals to x square sin square mx. Okay, here I convert sin square mx as cos 2mx terms. What is the formula of cos 2mx? First tell me, what is the formula of cos 2x? In terms of sin, 1 minus 2 sin square x. Okay, here we have sin square mx, that means mx. I put here m, that means here also we get m. So cos 2mx formula is 1 minus 2 sin square mx. From this, what is the value of sin square 2mx? Send that cos 2x, LH is cos 2mx by 2. See, I wrote the same thing. 1 minus cos 2mx by 2. This is the formula of sin square mx. Okay. Next, now multiply with x square. X square into 1 x square. X square into cos 2mx. X square cos 2mx by 2. This is the value of y square, and also we have limit values a, b. This is 0, this is 2 pi by m. And dx is the, see here, about the solid, and the solid revolves about x-axis. What volume of solid about x-axis is? V equals to integral a to b pi y square dx. So I now substitute all the values in this formula. What is a and b means? A equals to 0 and b equals to 2 pi by m. So I write integral 0 to 2 pi by m. See here, integral 0 to 2 pi by m pi y square dx, where pi is the constant. So write outside. And what is y square? X square minus x square cos 2mx by 2. So I write denominator 2 also outside. So we get pi by 2. Okay, see here. First I write the limit values 0 to 2 pi m. What is y square? X square minus x square cos 2 mx by 2. So I write this denominator outside. So pi by 2 I write outside. Integral 0 to 2 pi m x square minus x square cos 2 mx dx. Now we integrate these values. Okay. See here, pi by 2 I write pi by 2 outside. And I write integral separately. Okay. Integral 0 to 2 pi by x square dx minus next integral 0 to 2 pi by x square cos 2 mx dx. Okay, is it clear? First, tell me what is the integration of x square? X cube by 3 and the limits are 0 comma 2 pi by m. Here we have two terms. So we use integral u into v formula. In integration, what is the formula of u into v? Integral u into v equals to u into integral v minus integral d by dx of u integral v dx whole dx. Okay, integral uv dx is, what is the formula? U into integral v dx, integral u into v dx formula. First we select one thing is u and second one is v. Okay, first I write u and integral v dx minus integral d by dx of u into integral v dx and again put whole dx. This is the formula of u into v in integration formula. Okay, here what is u? I take u equals to x square and v cos 2 mx as v. So see, the integration of x square is x cube by 3. So first term completed, and in second we have u into v formula. See, first I write u integral v, that means cos 2 mx dx minus integral d by dx of u, that plus d by dx of x square and integral v dx. See here, and integral v dx, next whole dx. Okay, is it clear? First I write u. What is u? X square integral cos 2 mx dx minus integral d by dx of x square integral cos 2 mx, next whole dx. Okay, is it clear? Next, see again. First we have integral x square and integral x square into cos 2 mx. Integral x square is x cube by 3 and I write limit values. After that I substitute that values. Okay, see next. Here we have two terms, that means u and v. You use integral of u and v formula here. What is the uv formula? First I write u term, that means x square and integral of v dx minus d by dx of x square and integral v dx whole dx. This is the formula of u dx. Next, see here. See, first what we get? First x square integration is x cube by 3 and limit points are 0 to 2 pi by 3. So I substitute integral 2 pi by 3 in x place. So we get 2 pi by m whole cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. Okay, here we get, see here, here we get x cube by 3. Okay, x cube by 3 and limits are 0 to 2 pi by m. First I substitute 2 pi by m in x place. So what we get? 2 pi by m whole cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. And what we have in front? Pi by 2. So I write, see here. First I write pi by 2 and 2 pi by m whole cube by 3 minus 0 cube by 3. So first part is completed. In next part, what we get here? What we write? First x square integral cos 2 mx. X square means x square. Integration of cos 2x means sin 2 mx. And what is the constant here? 2m. So I write by 2m. Okay, is it clear? X square into integration of cos 2 mx means sin 2 mx. And I write constant in denominator. What is constant here? 2m. And at last we substitute the limit points. Not now. Okay. After all the completion of all integration, we substitute the limit points. So why this is separate term, so we substitute here, but this is another term. Here we have uv formula. After completion of uv formula integration, we substitute that limit values. Okay, so just I write simply what x square and cos 2 mx integration is sin 2 mx, and here we have constant 2m. That's it. Okay, see here, x square sin 2mx by 2m. But here I did not substitute the limit values. At last we substitute. Next. Here what we have, first we write integration d by dx of x square 2x. Here also what is the integration of cos 2mx? Sin 2mx by 2m. Okay, see here. First x square sin 2mx 2x. Next 2x into sin 2mx by 2m. Okay. Here we have integration. We did not do the integration. We did only differentiation and this part integration. After that we did the whole part integration. Okay, see. First I write x square, this integration sin 2mx by 2m, and here I put integration and write 2x and sin 2x by 2m. See here. So x square into sin 2mx by 2m and integration 2x into sin 2mx by 2m. Here I cancel 2 and 2. What is the remaining term? See here. 2 pi by m whole cube means 2 cube and means 8. Pi cube means pi cube, and here denominator is m cube. Already we have 3, so I write 3m cube. 0 cube by 3 means 0. X square same, sin 2mx by 2m same. Here after cancel 2, what we have here? X into sin 2mx by m. Here what is constant? 1 by m is constant, so I write outside. And what are the remaining? Integral. Here we have x and into sin 2mx and dx. Okay, clear? 2 pi by m whole cube means 8 pi cube by m cube. Here already we have 3 in denominator, so I write 3m cube. This value is 0. And x square same, sin 2mx by 2m same. Here what is the constant here? 1 by m constant, I write outside. This is the integration x into sin 2mx. This is dx. Okay, next. Pi by 2 into pi by 2 into, now I multiplied these two terms, pi by 2 into 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus, next malla again pi by 2 into x square sin 2mx by 2m. Next 1 by m. Here also you use again u into v formula. Okay, what is uv formula? First I write u integral v dx minus integration of d by dx of u integration of v dx whole dx. Okay, is it clear? Multiply with pi by 2 these two terms. So pi by 2 into 8 pi m cube into pi by 2 into total term. What is that term? Pi by 2 into x square sin 2x into 2m 1 by m. But here also we use uv formula, integration of u into v. Here u is x, v is sin 2mx. So I write u into integration of v dx minus integral d by dx of u integrals sin 2mx dx whole dx. Okay, see. 8 by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into x square sin 2mx by 2m minus 1 by m into x. Tell me what is the integration of sin 2mx? Sin means minus cos 2mx and constant I write in denominator. So we get minus cos 2mx by 2m. Okay. Next minus same integration. What is the d by dx of x? Is 1. Here also we use same formula. What is the integration of sin 2mx? Minus cos 2mx by 2m dx. Again we have to one more integration here. Okay, see here. All the terms are same. Just change here this one only. Why? It has only, in this place also has only integration term. These are the remaining are the no change terms. Same, I write same. See here. Pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube, pi by 2 into x square sin 2m minus 1 by m into x into minus cos 2x by 2. This is the same as before term. Here what we get here? Theta. Here what is the constant here? Minus into minus plus 1 by 2m. Okay. We have pi by 2 outside and x square into sin 2mx by 2m minus 1 by m into these two terms. 1 by m into, this means minus into minus plus cos 2xm by 2m square. See. 1 by m into, just I write cos 2mx by 2m. Next 1 by m into minus cos 2xm by 2m. See here. 1 by m into minus cos 2xm by 2m. But here we have minus into minus plus. So I write 1 by m into cos 2xm by 2m. So I write 1 by 2m also outside. So 1 by m into 1 by 2m integral cos 2mx. See here. pi by 2. See here, pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into x square sin 2mx by 2m minus 1 by m into x minus cos 2mx by 2m minus into minus plus, okay, 1 by m into 1 by 2m into cos 2xm by 2m. Okay, is it clear? Now you understand? Minus 1 by m into same x minus cos 2mx by 2m. Next 1 by m into, here minus into minus plus 1 by m into 1 by 2m cos 2mx integration cos 2mx dx. Next, see here, the same, all the terms are same, 8 pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into same terms. These are all same terms, no change. But here I write 1 by m into 2m means 2m square. What is the integration of cos 2mx? Sin 2mx by 2m. Now our integration completed. So I write the limits 0 to 2 pi by m. Now we substitute these limits in this second term. Okay. See, this is no change, pi by 2. First I substitute 2 pi by m in x place. So I write x square means 2 pi by m whole square. Sin 2m, x means 2 pi by m by 2m. Next minus 1 by m. What is x here? 2 pi by m minus cos 2m. Here also I substitute x 2 pi by m in x place by 2m. Next 1 by 2m square sin 2m. X means 2 pi by m by 2m. Okay. First I substitute x equals to 2 pi by m. So I write these are these same terms I write here. Here I substitute x 2 pi by m. So I get right 2 pi by m whole square. In sin also we have sin 2m. X place I put 2 pi by m. 2m is same, minus 1 by m. X means 2 pi by m. Here minus cos 2m into 2 pi by m by 2m. 1 by 2m square sin 2m. X means 2 pi by m by 2m. Now I substitute 0 in x place. So 0 into sin 2mx 0. Here also we have 0 into cos 2mx 0. Here we have sin 2m 0. So that means sin 0 0. So all the terms are 0 while substituting 0. See next. Same pi by 2. 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into 2 pi by m whole square. What we get here? After cancel, we get sin 2 into 2 pi. That means 4 pi. What is value of sin 4 pi? 0. So I put right 0. Next 1 by m, 2 pi by m. Here also after cancelling what we get here? 2 into 2 pi, 4 pi. Minus cos 4 pi is 1. So I write minus 1. Cos 4 pi is 1 only. But we have minus here. So I write minus 1 by 2m. Next 1 by 2m square. Here also I cancel So we get 4 pi. Sin 4 pi is 0 and these are also 0. So after substituting all terms, what we get here? See here. Same pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube, pi by 2 into 0 into 2 pi by m whole square is 0. Here, see here, minus into minus plus 1 into 2 pi, these 2 pi. In denominator we have 2m into m into m, so 2m cube. Here also we get 0, this is also 0, okay. At last pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into 2 pi by 2m cube. Here I cancel 2. So what is the remaining term here? Same pi by 2, 8 pi. Here see. From these two terms I take common pi by 2 and pi by m cube. After taking pi by 2 and pi by m cube. So pi by m cube. What is the remaining term in this one? 1. Here after taking pi by m cube, 8 pi square 3, this is the remaining term. See here. In both terms we have pi by 2, pi by 2. So I take pi by 2 common. And here we have pi cube, here pi. So I take pi only, okay. After taking pi, what is the remaining term here? Pi square. What pi square? 8 pi square. And I take m cube also common. So yeah, after taking m cube, what is the remaining term here? 3. So I write 8 pi square by 3. Here we take pi by 2 common and pi by m cube common, 2 cancel. So what is the remaining term here? 1. Now take LCM. What is the LCM here? 3. We get 8 pi square minus 3 in numerator. Now multiply all the terms, we get pi square into 8 pi square minus 3, 2 into 3, 6m cube. This is the volume of the given solid. See again. What is our sum? What is our curve? Y equals to x sin mx is our given curve. And also given the limit points. What are they? 0, 2 pi by m. And the curve revolves about the x-axis. So what is the formula we use? Integral a to b pi y square dx. Here a and b are limit points. Y square we find from the given curve. And we integrate, we get the volume. See here. Given y equals to sin mx and limit points are x equals to 0, x equals to 2 pi by m. But in formula we say the limit points are a and b. So we write a, that implies a equals to 0, b equals to 2 pi by m. From what is the given curve? Y equals to x sin mx. But in formula we have y square value. So squaring on both sides we get the value of y square. See. A square equals to x square into sin square mx. Here I change a sin square mx term. From cos 2 mx formula, we write 1 minus 2 sin square mx. That implies sin square 2 mx equals to what? 1 minus cos 2 mx by 2. So I write 1 minus cos 2 mx by 2 in sin square mx place. After multiplying with x square into 1 x square into cos 2mx, x square cos 2mx. So we get a y square value and the limit value. So I now write the formula of volume. What is the volume of solid? See here. What is the formula of volume of solid? Y equals to integral 2 pi by m, 0 to 2 pi by m, 8 pi y square. Here, what is y square? See here, what is y square? Y square equals to x square minus x square cos 2mx by 2. So where by 2 is that constant, and in formula pi is also constant. So I write pi by 2 outside, and y square value is x square minus x square cos 2mx. Now we integrate these terms. So I write integration separately. Integration x square minus integration of x square cos 2mx dx. What is the integration of x square? X cube by 3, and limit points are 0 to 2 pi by m. Here we have two terms, so I use u into v formula. That means here u is x square and v is cos 2mx. So I write u integral cos 2mx dx minus integral d by dx of u integration cos 2mx dx whole dx. This is the formula of u into v. Now I substitute the limits in x cube by 3. What is the first limit? 2 pi by m. So substitute 2 pi by m in x place. We get 2 pi by m whole cube by 3. Now I substitute 0 in x cube. So 0 cube by 3. Next, x square. Integration of cos 2mx is sin 2mx by 2m. Next, same integration. d by dx of x square is 2x, and integration of cos 2mx is sin 2mx dx. By 2m is the constant. After cancelling 2, so see here pi by 2. 2 pi by m whole cube means 8 pi cube by m cube. And denominator we have 3. So I write 8 pi cube by 3m cube. 0 by 3 means 0. X square sin 2mx. After cancelling 2, what is the constant here? 1 by m is the constant. So I write outside. And remaining term is integral x sin 2mx dx. Again we use uv formula here. Okay. Here we use uv formula. Same pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube. This is 0. Next pi by 2 into x square sin 2mx minus 1 by m. Integration of u into v formula. Again u, that means x, integral of v, that means sin 2mx dx, minus integral d by dx of u, and integral sin 2mx dx, again whole dx. Next pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into x square into sin 2mx. These are all same as above. Okay. 1 by m into x. What is the integration of sin 2mx? Minus cos 2mx by 2m minus integration same. d by dx of x is 1, and sin 2mx integration is minus cos 2mx by 2m. Okay. See here. Okay. Are you understand? From two terms are same, and here integration of sin 2mx is cos 2mx minus cos 2mx by 2. Here also we write the integration formula. Now you do integration at last term. What is the last term here? See here, the remaining terms are same as it is above. Okay, same 1 by m x into minus, these are all same as above. Here minus into minus what? Plus 1 by m into 1 by 2m. So I write 1 by m into 1 by 2m integration of cos 2mx dx. See here again, same pi by 2, 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into x square sin 2mx by 2m. See, minus 1 by m x into cos 2 minus cos 2mx by 2m. Next 1 by m into minus 1 by m into minus means plus 1 by m. Here we have 1 by 2m constant, so I write outside 1 by m 1 by 2m integration of cos 2mx dx. Tell me, again these all terms are same. Here we see plus 1 by m into 1 by 2m is 1 by 2m square integration of cos 2mx sin 2mx 2m. Now we substitute limit values in second term. Okay, this is the integration of first term. Already we substitute the limit points, but in second integration we did not substitute the limit points. After completion of total integration we substitute. So now we complete the total integration. So now I substitute the limit points at 2 pi by m comma 0 in x place. Same, first terms, two terms are same, minus pi by 2. First I substitute 2 pi by m in x place. So what we have here? X square, that means 2 pi by m whole square. In sin function we have 2mx. So I write sin 2m. X means again I write 2 pi by m by 2m. Okay, next minus 1 by m. Here we have x, that means 2 pi by m minus cos 2m. Same, in x place I write 2 pi by m by 2m. Next plus 1 by 2m square sin 2m x means 2 pi by m by 2m. Next I substitute 0 in x place. So 0, if I put 0 here, what we get? 0. Here also we get x into some, so that means 0. Here we have sin 2m x means 0, sin 2 0, sin 0, that means sin 0 0. Next same pi by 2, see pi by 2 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into 2 pi square by m. Here after cancelling m and m, what we get here? Sin 4 pi. What is the value of sin 4 pi? 0. So I write 0 minus 1 by m 2 pi by m. Here mm cancelled. What we get here? 4 pi. Cos 4 pi is 1, but here we have minus. So I write minus 1 by 2m. Same here also 1 by 2m square. Mm cancelled here. What we get? Sin 4 pi. Sin 4 pi is 0. This is also 0. Okay. See. Same pi by 2. 8 pi m cube minus pi by 2. 0 into 2 pi by m whole square is 0. Next minus into minus plus 2 pi by m 2m. That means 2m cube. Here also we get 0 minus 0. Okay. So what is the last remaining term? Pi by 2 into 8 pi cube 3m cube minus pi by 2 into 2 pi by 2m cube. Here I cancel 2 into 2 by 2. What is the remaining term? Pi by 2 8 pi cube by 3m cube minus pi by 2 into pi by m cube. Okay, after cancelling 2, this is the remaining term. From these two terms I take pi by 2 and pi by m cube common. So pi by 2 common and pi by m cube also common. After taking pi by m cube, what we get? What is the remaining term here? Pi 8 pi square by 3. Here total term we take common. So we have only 1. Now I take LCM. What is the LCM? 3 is the LCM. So we get 8 pi square minus 3 in numerator. Now multiply all the terms, pi square into 8 pi square minus 3. Here 2m cube into 3, that is 6m cube. This is the volume of the given curve. Okay, understand? Thank you.